Hello, testing one, two, testing one, two. Testing one, two, testing one, two, testing one, two, two. Today we are going to do market analysis. If you are online, you can hear me say hi. You can join on Instagram and YouTube. On Instagram is at Leo at Sunray FS. That is on Instagram, Sunray FS. Sunray FS on Instagram. Join on Instagram, Sunray FS. Join the live now on Instagram, Sunray FS. And you can also join on YouTube, Sunray FS on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So if you can hear me, you can hear the audio, say hi. If you can hear the audio, say hi. You can hear the audio, say hi. We are live right now on YouTube and on Instagram. We are live now on YouTube and Instagram. We are live now on YouTube and Instagram. We are live now on YouTube and Instagram. So you can join live now. You can join live. So we are going to analyze Bitcoin market. And then if you are online, so I want you to send your market. So if you are online, I want you to send your the market that you want us to do analysis on. I want you to send it across so that we can analyze it together. So if you have any market that you want to analyze, send it across on DM so that we can analyze it together. Still waiting for you guys. You can join now. Join now. Still waiting for you guys. Still waiting for you guys. Drop your comments. So drop your pair. Today we are going to analyze gold, Great Britain pounds, USD. Those are my two major pairs that I'm going to analyze today. But if you drop your comment, we are going to analyze your pair also. So drop your pair. Let me see your pair in the channel. Let me see your pair in the chat box so that we can analyze it together. Let me see your pair. We are about to take off soon. Waiting for some people to join the live. About to take off soon. In the next 5 minutes, we'll take off. Drop your pair. Let's analyze it together and get ready for the first week in August. It's gonna be awesome. The NFP report, dollar got worse than expected report, and then gold pullback. So also Great Britain pounds USD pullback and some other USD pair they reacted to the news. So is the pullback is it temporary or permanent? So we are going to see what that does with the relation to DXY. So this is gold, and you can see that gold has like I said earlier, gold has reversals pattern, further candlestick pattern on monthly time frame. So we have been experiencing this week on the both side, then followed by doji, followed by shooting star. So we have two shooting star on gold on two consecutive sessions on monthly time frame. We have it in June and we have it in July. Market is currently going to retest the 61% Fibonacci retracements of July and June, and then we are going to see something that will happen right there. So I'm expecting market to react to 3400. So if market reacts with 3400, we can expect the market to start coming back for the last time. So we can see market coming down from there. So somewhere around 3400, we can see market coming from there. So we are still waiting for guys to show up. I'm still waiting for guys to show up. Okay, let's kick off. Some people are going to join us. Let's kick off. Let's kick off. Let's kick off. So I'm going to start from top-down analysis on gold. To start top-down analysis on gold, you can see that gold has been on a bullish trend right after we experienced the market from this high. So we see that market from this high. So from 2020 to 2024, market has been market make this three top and the market broke out. So ever since market broke out of this high, we have not seen market make a retest to this. A market just keep going up and up and up. So is this the end of gold? Nobody knows, but it's looking like market is about to retrace. But the challenge is the DSY. DSY is currently at bottom of the channel, ascending channel, and this channel is almost 2 decades old. So the channel started from 2008, and then it has been on upward trajectory since then. So what we need to understand is if DSY respect this trend line, we are going to see a major push to the downside on gold and other USD pairs. So those are the things that we are trying to do. So I showed this channel on my Instagram page and on my YouTube page, like the early of June, when we have the 3-month candle close. So for the entire July and now August, we can see that market is still respecting the trend line big time. So market is continuing to respecting the trend line, and we can begin to see that market will respect it for good. Market will respect it for good. So with that being said, if this trend line is still intact on DSY and market still trade above this lower line of the trend line, that means DSY is going to go bullish. So that means DSY is going to go bullish. So I did not dispute the fact that can come down a bit before going bullish, but DSY is going bullish. So market is still at the uptrend. So let's analyze the market. So we have low, we have high, we have higher low, we have higher high, we have higher low, and then we have higher high. So that is what we have, and then from there we have higher low right here, and then we may have higher high. And if that happens, that means dollar is going up for good. That means dollar is going up for good. So those are the things that we have in market. We have all these one in market: high high, high low. Our market has been respecting it big time. So on a longer time frame, DSY is still on the bullish trend: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we can expect to see something like this in the market. So on the longer time frame, DSY is still on the bullish movement. So it has never broke out of this channel, and the channel started from 2008, and then this is 2025, almost 2 decades old. So let's go to monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, you can see that DSY printed a bullish engulfing pattern. See, DSY printed a bullish engulfing pattern, and this bullish engulfing pattern means a lot. So because if DSY printed bullish engulfing pattern, it means that the bulls are back into the market. The bulls are back into the market, and it's a very strategic location at the bottom of the channel. At the bottom of the channel, I see a bullish engulfing pattern. It's not coincidence. I think it sent a signal. Okay, for us to understand what it means, you can see that this is another bullish engulfing pattern here. And after this bullish engulfing pattern, market rally from somewhere around 92 to 114. So that is the power of the bullish engulfing pattern. You can see right here again, market creates a bullish engulfing pattern right here, and from there market rally up to almost the previous low. And that about that, you can see the bullish engulfing pattern right here. So that's another bullish engulfing pattern, and market rally again. And again, that's another bullish engulfing pattern right here. So you can see that every time market printed bullish engulfing pattern right at the bottom of the channel or close to the channel, market rally up. Market rally up. Now we see another bullish engulfing pattern. Who knows if market will continue to rally like previous time? But for now, I think that even if market does not rally, we can have a slow movement to the downside, then movement to the 50% of this entire move, or 61.8 of this entire move, before we can decide if market will come down or market will go up again. So that is what I think on DSY. DSY cannot just break that channel like that, because when markets move very fast to a support or resistance, is an indication that market is going to respect that resistance or support. So, but if market move very slowly to support or resistance, that may show that market may not respect that support or resistance. So I'm expecting market to maybe a little bit come down, then go up in the monthly time frame. So let's go to weekly time frame and see what we have there. On weekly time frame, we are seeing something that look like a morning star. This one look like morning star. We haven't seen a dramatic reversal pattern here, but for now we can see that on the second time in this week, we see that market close above HEMA for the second time. So this huge rejection candle shows that market is still rejecting the upside, but don't forget that market has already cleared the previous high. So this is a previous high, and the market has already cleared it. So market has changed structure now. Market has changed structure now. Market previously changed structure. So this black line is the structure. You might not understand what I mean by market structure, but when you get to lower time frame, you can see that market really changed the structure. I will put this right here. Yes, market change structure here. So market change structure here on a lower time frame. Let's say daily time frame. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, you can see that market change structure. See lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So you refuse to make a lower high here, lower high. Market start to make lower low here, and then market take off this high, take off this high. So you can see that market took two consecutive high, market took it off, and then somewhere around there we can think that we have something that looks like head and shoulder pattern. So something that looks like head and shoulder pattern. So let me draw the head and shoulder pattern, and you see what will happen here right there. Let me draw the head and shoulder pattern. Let me draw the head and shoulder pattern. So market creates this, and then market is trying to retest the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. Market is kind of trying to retest it now. So what will happen on this? We may have market going up soon. There's a little gap here on a daily time frame that market may likely cover. You can see a gap from here, from this place. You can see this gap. So market may cover that gap before going up. So market may cover that gap before going up. And then you can see that let's place Fibonacci retracement on this. So if you place Fibonacci retracement on this, you can see that market is currently casing 50% Fibonacci retracement, and then market can go a little bit lower to case 61.8 Fibonacci level of this move. But when we extend the move a little bit further, you can see that market case 50% right there, and then if market case 61.8% from the July low, and to the current high. So that means all this liquidity, all this gap has been covered. So I'll be looking for market to do any of this, whether to keep 60% Fibonacci level of this one, that is somewhere right around here, right around 98, or 50% 61.8 Fibonacci level right around 98, 97, 89. So that will determine the movement of DXY. So why am I analyzing DXY? So analyzing DXY will give us head up in trading other pairs that are related to USD, because DXY is dollar index and it reflects the total movement of dollar in the commodity market. So let's go to gold. So checking gold has been bullish for some time now. So the entire 2024 to 2025 gold has been bullish. So we only have about how many red candle? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we only have 4 red candle on monthly time frame for about 2 years ago now. So 4 red candle for more than half year. We have only 4 red candle on gold on monthly time frame from 2024 till date. So that means gold has been very, very bullish. Gold has been very, very bullish. Gold has been very, very bullish. And then if you want to make the opportunity from there, so you need to be bullish. And everybody is bullish on gold for some time now. But I think the bulls are getting away with their profit now. The bulls are taking profit, and you can see that the month of April we have this kind of candle that have wick on both sides. So the month of May we have doji with the wick, longer wick, and then the month of June we have shooting star, and the month of July we have shooting star also. So the shooting star in the month of July is more powerful than the shooting star that we have in the month of June. So that shows that the bears are already in the market. The bears are already in the market, and then you have to speed up your game, that because the bears are already in the market. The bears are already in the market. So what do you need to do? So you need to start looking for sell signal on higher time frame, and I have seen on higher time frame now. So let's move to weekly time frame. That's monthly time frame on gold. So on weekly time frame on gold, so you can see that we have this shooting star, market close below it, which is confirmed to be bearish, but market never sell off. So we have double top right now, and then we have this kind of top that market is respecting. It's looking like a triangle that market is currently respecting. You can see that market is respecting it. So, and then market close shooting star, we have this bullish that negate this one, and we have this one. It's a reversal candlestick. But last week we have a profound shooting star again, which is very very good. But this week we have hanging man. This week we have hanging man. Both are reversal candlestick. Both candles are reversal candlestick. But we have to wait for more confirmation. We need to see another close below this shooting star. The shooting star that are marked in red. This one is called shooting star, while this one is called hanging man. This one is called hanging man. Both of them are reversal candlesticks. If you have not known about shooting star and hanging man, so I will drop a link to my chat box to go and see my videos on hammer and shooting star, so that you can know the importance of hammer and shooting star. So on weekly time frame, you can see that market has not decided the full direction that is going, but for now I think market is about to go down based on what I saw on monthly time frame. So let's go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can see that market has not totally take out the high and low of June throughout the month of July. So we have the high and low of June. This is the low of June, and this is also the high of June. And you can see that market has not taken over the high and the low of June. So market is respecting the high of June and the low of June. So that makes the July candle to be an inside bar. So July candle is an inside bar. So inside bar, and the June candle is the mother bar. So both of them are shooting star. They close lower. Both of them close lower. They are shooting star, but we are still waiting for the confirmation before we can start scale in big time. So if you check this, there's something that resonates with me right here. You can see this. You can see that market is retesting 1, 2, 3. Market broke and go down, but market closed back inside again. So market closed back inside again. So that is indicating that the bears are still, the bulls are still in the market. But is this NFP effect? Yes, can be NFP effect. So but next week, if market respects 3400, so and come back to the downside, that means we are about to see another low for on the gold. For gold to be fully confirmed, we need to see a close daily close below this low, below June low, before we can see retest and sell on the longer time frame. But for now, we need to just start making money in the range. We need to start making money in the range. So that is that about gold. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, you can see that gold is trying to retrace 61.8 Fibonacci level. Let's put it here. You can see now market rejects 50% Fibonacci level 2 times, then straight away to 61.8 Fibonacci level. So I will be looking at what market does here coming next week, this previous high. So what market does here next week is very very crucial. So I'm going to check it. So probably we may have what is called head and shoulder pattern. We may have something that looks like head and shoulder pattern. Let me draw it so that I can be clear with you guys. So something like this. So we can have head and shoulder pattern as it looks. Don't mind the pattern, but I'll have something like that coming next week in the market. So but we are not trading. But we are not trading on this time frame. So we are trading on lower time frame. We just want to analyze the market. So on gold, so analysis start from 4 hours, and then 4 hours to be able to know the direction of the market, so we put 50 EMA, and if market is below 50 EMA on 4 hours, that means market is bullish on 4 hours. So we are going to write 4 hours, this test, 4 hours is equals to bullish. So we are already preparing for next week now. 4 hours is bullish on gold, and then again we go to 1 hour. 1 hour also is bullish. So 1 hour also is bullish. Four hours is bullish on gold, and then 1 hour is bullish on gold. So 15 minutes that we are going to trade is still bullish on gold. So 15 minutes is bullish. So in that wise, we need to look for bull early next week. We need to look for bullish, or we can wait for market to turn bearish, but 15 minutes is equals to bullish. So on gold, we need to wait for market to turn bearish on 4 hours, at least on 1 hour, before we can trade it on 15 minutes. So market need to turn bearish on 1 hour before we can trade our strategy on 15 minutes. So we are going to keep this one like this. So we are going to keep it like this till next week Monday. So 4 hours is bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 15 minutes is bullish, only daily is bearish, and daily is not fully bearish also, because market has not taken this low, and then market is not taking this high also. So market is neutral on daily, but 4 hours is bullish, 1 hour is bullish, and 15 minutes is bullish. So next week we are going to see how market react with this high. We are going to see how market reacts with this high, and see if we can profit from the market based on this high. So we can see how market reacts with this high and see how we can profit from it. So that is that about that on gold. So we are going to see how market reacts with this level of resistance from 383 to 3400. So we are going to see how market reacts with that level on gold next week. So we are going to trade on that. So Great Britain Pounds USD. So don't forget to drop your comments, drop your pair comments. Let me see your pair. Let me see your pair. So drop your comments. Let me see your comments. You can drop it. Let me see in your chat box. Just use the chat box to drop your comments. Use the chat box to drop your comments so that I can see the pair that you want me to analyze for you. Use the chat box to drop your comments so that I can see the pair that you want me to analyze for you. So drop it. So let's go to pounds dollar. In pounds dollar, something similar to gold. On pound dollar, something similar to gold. So I'm going to start the analysis from 3-month time frame. So but 3-month time frame, you can see that pound dollar did something. Market close above this level, and market is coming down to retest. So market is coming down to retest on 3-month time frame. So we can see that market has not taken this high and then market is not take this low, market is still ranging in between, so with no clear signal of, so market is just bottoming out. I can see that market is bottoming out like this. So those are the things that I can see in the market. But for now, so I will say that we don't see something remarkable on pound dollar. So let me go to monthly time frame and see if we can see something that resonates with us. So on monthly time frame, you can see that we have a valid bearish engulfing on pound dollar, a very valid bearish engulfing on pound dollar, and has a lot of room to the left side. Has a lot of room to the left side. So you can see that the previous time that we had this kind of bearish engulfing market sell off, so and now we have another bearish engulfing again. So that can mean that market may sell off one more time. So, but is market selling off immediately? I don't think so. So market may rally up a bit before coming to the downside. So that is what I can say on a monthly time frame. So let's go to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, you can see that market is tricking out. So market formed something that called head and shoulder. So let me draw it for you guys. It will make sense on lower time frame. It will make sense on lower time frame. But let me just draw it now. So ability to spot pattern up front is very, very crucial. Ability to spot pattern up front is very, very crucial. So ability to spot signals from afar is very, very crucial. So now market make head and shoulder, market break the neckline, close below on weekly time frame. So I can see that on weekly time frame, Great Britain pounds USD close bearish, but gold close bullish on weekly time frame. Gold close bullish on weekly time frame. So that means that we may focus early on gold or early on Great Britain pounds on Monday, and then when gold show the direction, we can follow suit on gold. But right now, dollar is looking weaker. Dollar is looking stronger against pounds. So let's go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, yes, I told you that the head and shoulder pattern will make more sense on a little bit lower time frame. Will make more sense on a little bit lower time frame. So you can see that markets make a very confirmed head and shoulder right here. So I put my signal here, but market never triggered the signal. So this is a confirmed head and shoulder pattern. A confirmed head and shoulder pattern. Market closed the neckline and market retested. So we are expecting market to retest one more time on the weekly time frame. So what we are expecting? We are expecting market to go back and fix this neckline or extend a little bit further to area of interest 34 1.3400, then come to the downside. So don't forget that market closed below this low. Don't forget that market respect this low. So but market may still go back up and kiss this trend line or for the neckline before starting coming down. So we are expecting market to go to area of interest. So let's mark our area of interest for selling signal next week. That is 1.3400. So somewhere around here is where we are expecting market to sell off next week. So we are expecting market to sell off somewhere around there next week. And market can still go a little bit further to somewhere around 1.3450 or 3500. No, 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 1.3450, somewhere around there. So before market can come down. So let me put Fibonacci level there. I love Fibonacci a lot because it prefers me to have early entry. So sometimes you enter too early, but if you use Fibonacci level, you might be able to enter at the right time. You can see that 50% Fibonacci level, uh, and then the area of interest, everything synchronized together. We may have a reversal pattern on this level on next week. We may have a reversal pattern, but so good. We are going to wait for the markets. This drop is so smooth, so we are expecting market to recover some of the loss before going down one more time. So, but we are going to make money from this pair next week. We are going to make some money from this pair next week. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also comment, follow me on YouTube, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter or X, follow me on TikTok. So live on TikTok we start on Monday. Currently we are live streaming to Instagram and YouTube, and live on TikTok we commence on Monday. And if you have any other channel that you want me to live stream to, so kindly let me know where I will live stream to, so that we can live stream to those channels. So that we can live stream to those channels. So that is that about that. So I'm waiting for you guys on the pair that you want me to analyze. If you have a pair that you want me to analyze, kindly comment those pair so that I can analyze those pair for you. As for me, these are the two major pairs that I'll be trading coming next week. These are the two major pairs that will be coming next week. And if you miss out this Saturday market live session, if I see some comments on this video, we can start another Sunday live session with students. So we can start Sunday live session to the students. Don't forget to join my group on Telegram. I will drop the link to my Telegram group. Let me just drop the link to my Telegram group right now. So let me drop the link to my Telegram group so that you guys can join my Telegram group. You can join my Telegram group right now so that you don't miss out on any opportunity in the group. So you don't miss out on any opportunity in the group. My Telegram group, I will drop the link now. So my Telegram group. Okay, I'm dropping the link to my Telegram group now. So that's the link to my Telegram group. And then you can also join my Telegram channel. In the group we can interact, but on the channel for fresh updates. So you can join that one also. Join my Telegram channel also, and then I want us to be relating big time. So join it so that we can have a fresh connection next week as we are trying to take the trade to the next level. I'm starting a fresh challenge next week. I'm starting a fresh challenge next week. I'm taking $100 to 1K. I'm not saying in a week. I'm not saying in 2 weeks. So it could be a week, it could be 2 weeks, it could be 3 weeks. So I'm just starting the challenge on solo level. I'm not going to broadcast it. It's going to be within me and anyone that joined this live channel. So we're going to start on solo level. Then after we achieve our goal, I'm going to extract some of the videos in the live session to do the documentaries on it. And then after that one, we are going to extend our goals to 10K. From then we are going to extend our goal to maybe 100K and then more. So it is not something that I'm going to be pressurizing myself for. So I'm going to just let it happen naturally without being forcing anything. So to happen naturally without being forcing anything. So that is that about this. So I will not be available this time tomorrow, but if you want to join the Sunday live session, see my comment. If you want to join the Sunday live session, you can join my drop your comment to my Telegram channel or Telegram group so that I can come up with the Sunday live session. So that is that about that. So I will this be the end of the video for today. So thank you for joining my stream. Thank you for seeing my stream. I really appreciate you for showing up. So I really appreciate you for showing up. So thank you for watching. Uh, I will end the stream right now. Bye bye.